welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to talk to you today about double denim, in particularly how to style double denim. I'm going to be sharing 5 ways that I tend to kind of gravitate towards wearing this in my own wardrobe. And let it be said, I don't think double denim is a trend. I see it as a classic and one of those pairings that's just so easy, so effortless. You can dress it up, dress it down, and I'm going to show you how I approach that. And before we start as well, if you're new here, welcome. I enjoy talking about style. I did a year-long no-buy where I didn't buy anything from my wardrobe, and that actually inspired my styling course I created, which is called the No-Buy Styling Course, which has so many styling tips and tricks in there to show you how to get the most out of your existing wardrobe so that you can do more without having to buy more stuff. So I'll pop that down in the description box for you, and let's get into the outfits. Okay, so I'm going to put them on the screen while I look at them on my phone. So outfit 1 is what I would describe as a very classic casual outfit for me, especially running errands. If I had to go and do maybe like a food shop, like groceries, it's super, super comfy. And this is such a good example of how just a pair of jeans with a really interesting cut denim jacket gives kind of a take on a nice twist on like the basic denim jacket. So for this look, I've paired it with my Vans, like a pair of plimsolls, a pair of trainers, and then just a crossbody bag using my Loewe puzzle. And I think it actually is a really cool look when denim isn't necessarily the same color. I don't think for denim on denim it has to be 2 washes of the exact same denim. That looks cool too. But as you'll see throughout this video, I really play with texture, I play with color, I play with things like the collars and the trim. But this look in particular I wanted to start with because I think it's a very nice entry level into double denim. If double denim feels scary to you, I think it makes sense to start with something that isn't 2 washes that are exactly identical, kind of mix them up, go for 2 different ones. And again, for me, the Abercrombie Curve Love jean, I know I'm a broken record, but it's still out there, my favorite thing ever. It's so, so good. And then this is my totem jacket, which I've had for many years now. It was a really good investment in my wardrobe. And I love that I can just put a vest under it, a white t-shirt, very, very easy to layer with. But even with the jacket done up, you can see it's a look, it's done, I'm ready to go. And I could switch the shoe, switch the bag very easily to dress this up if I needed to. Okay, so let's get into the second look, which I think is possibly my favorite. I think when I was looking at my index, this is probably one of my most worn double denim outfits. It is the same Abercrombie jeans with this, I think it's called the Dallas shirt. If I can link it for you, I will below, but I know they make it in the wool now, but not necessarily in the denim, is much harder to find. I think I brought this, I want to say 2-3 years ago from the Frankie shop, and this shirt has been worn to death. Is it a shirt? Is it a jacket? I think it can be either. I wear it as both. But again, this with my black strappy totem heels and my Hermes Kelly, the little Lee Studios earrings, which are actually the same as the ones I'm wearing today. Such a good look. I feel like it's one of those looks that I think of like a dressier version of double denim. And I would say as well, if you're someone who really struggles with creating outfits that feel dressy, but not too dressy, I actually think that's where double denim is brilliant because it's just jeans and a jean jacket effectively, but you can put a nice shoe on, a bit more of a structured bag. And I think you get this really nice juxtaposition of kind of casual, polished, dressy, dressed down that all together makes an interesting look. And I know that this look is one that I wear a lot. Okay, so next look I would say is kind of like a good, I've got meetings, maybe I'm going somewhere nice to meet a friend for a cup of coffee or a drink. It's still casual, but structured bag is adding something and the pump is adding something. Now, same jeans again, same Abercrombie Curve Love jeans. These are just I think they're called the straight leg, the high-rise straight leg vintage. Again, I'll pop it in the description. But this jean jacket, I don't think you can get this anymore. I got this in Marks and Spencer. I think it was like £35. Have to say Marks and Spencer's, I think have been killing it for the past few years. I think they've been doing such great things at such a good price point. And again, this is 100% cotton. It's got a really lovely wash in it. I actually brought this in the white as well when I did first buy these. I've had these a couple of years. And it's a very close shade to the same wash as my Abercrombie denim. But again, I've just got this on with my Chanel slingback pumps, the flat ones, so I could still do lots of walking in this outfit. If I was going to do a city break where there might be a nice lunch or something out, I would feel really good in this outfit, but it's still very, very comfortable. And again, I like my denim done up. You can definitely break the, if you've got like a column of denim and you want to kind of break it up slightly, I really do recommend like have a white vest on underneath or a t-shirt in a different color. You can add some contrast by kind of breaking up that column of denim just by undoing the jacket that you have on. But again, I like that you have kind of the black on the pump of this. I think it's really nice on the shoe. It just adds a little something interesting. And then I've used a more structured bag, which is the Totem top handle bag, the T-lock top handle, as a way to bring a little bit more polish back in. Okay, so this look is also a really fun one. I would say this is like a look, I'm imagining myself going for a pub lunch, going for a walk around Hampstead Heath, and I want comfy shoes, which is why I've gone for a loafer. Same jeans again. These are still the same jeans that Abercrombie Curve love, but this was actually a denim jacket I found in it was either a vintage store or thrift store in LA. I can't remember now. And it has this really beautiful kind of like corduroy collar in brown, which I think is such a nice accent to the tortoiseshell buttons. The pockets on this jacket were what drew me to it. It's such a beautiful shape. And again, I feel like I've just added, when it came to accessories, I've used a kind of woven basket bag to nod to the color in the shoe, but I've also added a little kind of cotton scarf bandana just tied around my neck just to give it that little bit more country nod, countryside nod. And again, this is totally something I'd wear if I was back in England, if I was in LA and it was a little bit chillier and I just wanted to wrap up warm for lots of walking. Could be a city break outfit too. But all of these outfits I'm showing you as well are perfect for spring. I feel like all these outfits are great for spring because you can layer underneath them. And then the last one, I wanted to show you double denim that doesn't have to be blue. I think a lot of people see double denim and they presume it has to be blue denim. Again, this is another denim jacket I brought from Marks and Spencer a few years ago, and I love it because it reminds me of a Belstaff jacket meets Totem. I just felt like the cut of it was really cool. I actually sized up about 4 sizes in this jacket because I think it's meant to be like a shirt or a shacket, but I wanted it as kind of a little bit more of a boxy jacket. And I've paired this with, again, Abercrombie Curve Love denim. I believe these are the same cut as my blue ones, but the shade is cream or off-white or something like that. And then to kind of anchor the fact that I'm still wearing a column that's all the same color, and obviously it's being a lighter tone, it's really nice for spring. I think brown is such a nice pairing with off-white or cream. It's that little bit softer than black and white. Don't get me wrong, I still love black and white as a color combo, but I think the brown woven bag it kind of ties in the deep metal, the metal on the buttons of the jacket is almost like a brown tone, like a deep brown tone. And then the shoes have a little bit of shine on them as well. And I think the way the sunlight hits the woven basket, the shine on they're kind of like embossed leather shoes, a zillion years old from Zara, are both adding just that touch of contrast with the lighter outfit, but it still pulls in the buttons. And I've just paired these with a kind of slightly more minimal oblong hoop from, I think these are Anna Luisa. And I really love this look. Again, you could make this dressy, you could dress it down. Any of the outfits I'm showing you here, they are very much interchangeable with the shoe in the bag. I always think the shoe in the bag changes everything. And over on my Substack, I actually made for you for spring. It's free for everyone to read. It's called Outfit Algebra for Spring. And over there, I'm showing you, I think I made, was it 14 outfits you can wear for spring? Yes, I think it was 14 outfit ideas for spring that you can make using things you already have in your wardrobe. So I'll pop that in the description box below as well. But yes, that is the final look of my denim, my go-to denim looks. So I hope this was helpful. I hope there's something in this that makes you excited to experiment with denim. Like I said, you don't have to do the jacket fully up, so it's one column of denim. You can experiment with having things open. Maybe you put a colorful sock on with your loafer just to like add a pop to take the eye away from the double denim. But experiment, have fun with it. I feel like double denim is one of those outfit combinations I always feel really chic in. I can dress it down really easy, dress it up really easy, and it's a really good set to travel with. I feel like if I'm traveling and I know I've got to think very carefully about how much I'm bringing, then having some kind of matching denim set means that set can be worn together and they could be worn as separates as well. So I hope it was helpful. Let me know what you think. I just wanted to share some kind of the way I get so many questions about the fact I wear double denim all the time. And like I said, I think of it as a very timeless pairing. I don't think of it as trendy. Naturally, it comes into trend every now and then, but it's one of those pieces just always makes me feel good. So let me know if this was helpful. Let me know which is your favorite look. And don't forget to check out the no buy styling course as well. I will pop that in the description, which even if you don't want to do a no buy, it will give you so many ideas of how to work with the pieces you have without buying more. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.